Jutuocnc VH857L high-speed vertical milling center, 3-axis linear guideways. Equipped with a dual-spiral automatic chip removal system, the VH857L offers superior chip removal performance compared to ordinary equipment on the market. The dual-spiral automatic chip removal effectively prevents chip accumulation, keeping the machine's linear rails clean and intact over time. This prevents damage to the protective covers, thereby ensuring the long-term normal operation of the ball screw guides. It also eliminates the cost of manual chip removal. In addition to protecting the machine body, extending the equipment's lifespan, and reducing production costs, it saves the time spent on manual machine downtime for chip removal, thereby increasing machine uptime and significantly enhancing the production efficiency of the enterprise. The VH857L features a direct-drive BT40-12,000 RPM spindle from Dezhou in Taiwan, China, and 36C3 precision-grade screws from Haiwen, PMI, improving the machine's processing accuracy and stability. It has 35/35/35 sized roller linear guideways and an iMac ARM-type tool magazine that can hold 24 tools, enabling quick and stable tool changes. The VH857L supports both FANUC and Mitsubishi systems, with electrical components from the French brand Schneider. Each machine undergoes rigorous high-precision testing with a laser interferometer, ball bar, and dynamic balancing instrument before leaving the factory, ensuring reliable CNC machining and auxiliary functions for customers.